Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Form 4 Chemistry Rate of Reaction on Subtopic 7.1 Determining the Rate of Reaction. Okay, so what is meant by rate of reaction? The rate of reaction is the changes in the quantity of the reactant per unit time or the changes in the quantity of product per unit time. Okay, so we can categorize reaction into slow reaction and fast reaction. Okay, slow reaction are reactions that takes a longer time to complete. Okay, so these are example of slow reaction. We have food decay, photosynthesis, rock erosion, fermentation, and corrosion of metals. And here are some example of fast reaction, which reaction that takes a shorter time to complete. And the example are electric cell reaction, fireworks, ignition of matches, and combustion of gases. Okay, so we use this formula to calculate the rate of reaction. The rate of reaction is equals to change in the quantity of reactant or product over time taken for the change to occur. Okay, so here reactant, the quantity of reactant used will be decrease, whereas the quantity of product will be increases over time. Okay, so the unit of rate of reaction differ based on what is the observable changes that you observe. Okay, so if you measure the mass of solid, then the unit for rate of reaction is gram per second or per minute. Depends on how long the reaction occur. Okay, if you measure the volume of gas produced, so you use the unit of centimeter cube per second or centimeter cube per minute. And if the change is concentration of solution, so you use mole per decimeter cube per second or mole per decimeter cube per minute. Okay, so there are several changes that we can observe during reaction. One of it is formation of precipitate that occurs in the reaction that produce insoluble salt. Okay, so for example, the reaction between potassium iodide and lead nitrate will produce potassium nitrate, a soluble salt, and lead iodide. This lead iodide is insoluble salt. Okay, decrease in mass of reactant also occurs in reaction that produce gases. Okay, this is the example how we measure the change in mass. Okay, and we also can observe increase in volume of gases for reaction that produces gas. So this is how we collect the gas. Okay, so we use this setup of apparatus to measure volume of gas produced in lab. Okay, so this is example of activity 7.1 by using the reactant zinc and sulfuric acid, and it will produce hydrogen gas. So hydrogen gas is collected in a burette. Okay. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.